Hello everyone, square root 2 plus square root x minus 2 is equal to square root 3. What is the value of x? Solution. So square root 2 plus square root x minus 2 bracket power 2 is equal to square root 3 bracket power 2. We simplify this and this. So 2 plus square root x minus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus square root x minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2. Simplify, so square root x minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next step, this bracket power 2 and this bracket power 2. Next step, we simplify. X minus 2 is equal to 1. X minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2. Simplify. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. To check, x is equal to 3. So square root 2 plus square root x minus 2 is equal to square root 3. But x is equal to 3, so square root 2 plus square root 3 minus 2 is equal to square root 3. Square root 2 plus square root 3 minus 2 is equal to square root 1 is equal to square root 3. We know that square root 1 is equal to 1, so square root 2 plus 1 is equal to square root 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Square root 3 is equal to square root 3. Solution x is equal to 3. This solution. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.